Yeah, what's going on out there, YouTube world? I'm here to do a quick unboxing of the Traxxas 3.3 motor. The other one went bad on me, so I just had to go ahead and make me give me a new motor. So he go to unboxing. I'm kind of doing it with one hand, so give me a minute. Let you all know what comes inside. Sitting here laying in my bed, want to be lazy. So here we go. So this just so I'll let you know what the motor is, what it's capable of. I'm just putting it back in my Revo 3.3 because I want a factory built truck with just maybe RPM on there to get the best out of it and to run it the way it's supposed to be ran. So here's the unboxing. Yeah, fresh. 3.3. It's coming out, instruction manuals. 2.5R, 2.33. So let's check it out. Ooh, fresh in that place.